Hello friend, I am Winnie the Pooh. Assalamualaikum from Immature. Let's draw Pooh today. Start by lightly sketching basic shapes to outline Pooh's head. Pooh is round and pudgy. Add a small curve to create his nose and a horizontal line across the circle for his mouth. For eyes, draw a circle and fill them black. To highlight the tiny eyes, draw eyebrow. Now fill the space on the head with oval-shaped ears. Pooh's arms are short and chubby. Using the oval shape as a guide, draw his hands as simple oval shapes. Draw Pooh's shirt by adding a small collar at the neck and two short sleeves on each side. I am drawing arms and shirt side by side. Pooh loves to eat honey and that's why he has a big tummy. Now I am going to draw his belly by using an oval shape. Pooh's legs are thicker at the top and narrow towards the bottom. Draw his feet as rounded rectangles. It's complete now. And now comes my favorite part, coloring. I have given an outline of orange color and filled with yellow. I hope you like the video. For more tutorials, like, follow and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.